Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I am Nisha. Today I am going to solve Olympiad Worksheet 6 multiplication and division. So let's start to solve these questions. Question number 1. Mehul has some bags of rice. The total weight of all the bags of rice is 35 kg. Total weight of rice, how much? 35 kg. Okay. Each bag weigh 7 kg. How many bags of rice does Mehul have? So we can understand this question by taking the example of chocolates. Okay. Suppose the total number of chocolates are 35. Okay, total number of chocolates 35. So we have to put these chocolates into bags equally, but we don't know the number of bags, how many bags we have. Okay, so we have to put these chocolates equally into bags. Each bag carry how many chocolates? Each bag carry 7 chocolates. How many chocolates? 7 chocolates. So now suppose this is bag. 1 bag, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 bag, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are assuming here these are the bags. Okay, so now put the chocolates into bags. Here I have already written each bag carry 7 chocolates. 7 chocolates. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each bag carry how many chocolates? Each bag carry 7 chocolates. I have mentioned here. Okay, so now total number of chocolates, we have total number of chocolates 35. Okay, each bag, let me take other color. Yeah, each bag carry how many chocolates? Each bag carry 7 chocolates. So I am writing here due to less space. So each bag carry how many chocolates? 7 chocolates. So 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. So how many bags? 5 bags. So option number B, 5. So how many bags of rice does Mehul have? 5 bags. B option. So here Mehul has some bags of rice, but instead of rice we have taken the example of chocolates. Okay, so total weight of all the bags of rice is 35 kg, and we have taken the example of chocolate, that we have total number of chocolate 35. Okay, so we can do in this way, like total number of rice, so total weight of all the bags of rice. Okay, all the bags of rice 35 kg. Okay, now each bag weigh 7. Each bag weigh how much? 7. So simple, 35 divided by 7, 5. Answer is 5, B option. Okay, so go through to next question. Question number 2. Here cost of 1 teddy bear is 55 rupees. What is the cost of 8 such teddy bear? Suppose we have 8 teddy bear here. I'm solving this question by taking group method. Okay, suppose these are the teddy bears. How many teddy bears? 8 teddy bears. 1 teddy bear, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Suppose these are 8 teddy bear. Okay, The cost of one teddy bear, how much? Cost of one teddy bear. Cost of one teddy bear is 55 rupees. So these all teddy bears are of same size, same type. Okay, so the cost of second 55. Here the cost of first 55, then second 55, 55, 55. Because these all teddy bears are same. 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, 55. So 55 is repeated how many times? 8 times. Okay, you can solve. 8 5 40. Now 8 5 40 and plus 4 440. So correct option is 405. B option is the right option. Which option is right? B option. Yes, B option is right. 440 rupees. So go through to next option. Yes, a hotel has 8 floors. How many floors? 8 floors. One second. How many floors? Yes, 8 floors. On each floor there are 31 rooms. How many rooms? 31 rooms. How many rooms does the hotel have altogether? Okay, we can solve in this way. I'm drawing here. Suppose this is the building of hotel. Okay, hotel building. This is hotel, suppose. Now how many floor in this hotel? There are 8 floor. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 floor. Okay, so next, on each floor there are 31 rooms. Each floor there are 30. This is first floor, 31 rooms, because in questions already mentioned there are 31 rooms on each floor. So first floor 31, second floor 31 rooms, 31, third floor 31, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 31. So 31 is repeated how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 31 is repeated 8 times. Now multiply it. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So now 248. Which option is right? 248. Now this is D option is right. D option is right. 248. Go through to next question. Yes. Virat bought 3 pens at rupees 15 each and spent rupees 78 to buy a pair of socks. How much money did Virat spend altogether? Virat bought 3 pens. How many pens? Bought 3 pens. How much money he has spent on this pen? 15 rupees each. What does it mean? Means 1 pen cost is equal to 15. So 3 pen cost how much? 15 multiply 3 is equal to 45. Okay. Virat bought 3 pens, 15 rupees. 15 rupees each means the price of each pen are the price of each pen how much? 15 rupees. Okay, so 3 pen cost 15 multiply 3 is equal to 45 rupees. Okay, now next. Yes, he spent 78 rupees to buy a pair of socks. So one pair of socks means 2 socks. Okay, 2 socks. Cost of 2 socks how much? Means one pair of socks cost 78 rupees. Okay. So now, how much money did Virat spend all together? Now the total money he has spent. Let me write. Yes. Total. Here, cost of pen. Total cost of pen. We have already find total cost of pen. Means total money. Let me write. Total money he has spent on pen, 45 rupees, and on socks, one pair of socks only, one pair of socks. How much money he has spent? 78 rupees he has spent on socks, one pair of socks. Now total money for both, total money for both pen and socks. So 78 plus 45 is equal to 123 rupees. So he has spent total money for both the items pen and socks, 123. Correct option is option A, 123. Option A, 123. Now go through to next question, question number 5. Yes. Question number 5. A factory produces 15 items in a day. A factory produces 15 items in a day. Okay. How many items will it produce in a week if Sunday is a holiday? Okay. If Sunday is a holiday. So factory produces how many items? Factory. Oh, let me write here. One second. Yes. Factory produces how many items? 15 items in a day. Okay. How many items will it produce in a week? So in a week, how many days? 7 days. Okay, but Sunday is not included. If Sunday is holiday, already mentioned. If Sunday is a holiday, then 6 days. We have 6 days. So in 6 days, how many items? How many items produces in a factory? Or we can say how many items produces in a factory in 6 days. Okay. Factory produces 15 items. Okay. So now we have to write days here. 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 4, 5, 6. 7 day holiday. Okay, holiday. Sunday is holiday. So in 6 days, how many items a factory produces? So 15 multiplies 6, we can 15 multiplies 6 is equal to 90 items. Simple. Okay, here factory produces 15 items in a day. Okay, how many items will it produce in a week if Sunday is a holiday? So in a week, how many days? I have already mentioned the 7 days, but Sunday is a holiday, so we have 6 days. So in 6 days, how many items a factory produces? So 15 multiplies 6 is equal to 90. So 90 is the correct option. C option is the correct. 90 is the right answer. So 90, C option is right option. Now go through to next question. Sixth question. Okay. So in this question, what we have to find here, if there are 16 apples, what is this? Wait, just 1 minute. Yes. So if there are 16 apples on a tree, okay, then how many apples are there on three such tree? Three such tree, same tree. Okay, suppose here this is one tree. First, this is second. How many apples? This is first tree, this is second, and let me make other third tree also. I'm drawing here. Yes, this is third tree. Okay, so here in question, if there are 16 apples on a tree, this is first tree, how many apples? 6 apples. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so how many apples are there on three such tree? These are the same tree. So how many apples? If one tree carry 7 apples, then second tree also carries 7. Sorry, 16 apples, not 7, 16 apples. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So same here, 16 apples. I'm not making here also 16 apples. So one tree carries 16 apples, second tree carries 16 apples, third tree carries 16 apples. So 16 is repeated how many times? 1 2 3, 3 times. So answer is 48. So right option is A, 48. Answer A option is right option. Go through to next question. Prisha drinks 8 liters of water. 8 liters of water. Just wait. Prisha drinks 8 liters of water every day. Okay. How many liters of water did she drink in 5 days? Okay. So I'm writing here, Prisha drinks every day how much water? Drinks every day how much water? 8 liter. How many liter of water did she drink in 5 days? Okay, so here 5 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5 days, how much water she will drink? Simple. These are the 5 days, and every day she takes 8 liter every day. So here every day: Monday she takes 8 liter, Tuesday she takes 8 liter, Wednesday she takes 8 liter, Thursday she takes 8 liter, Friday she takes 8 liter. 1 2 3 4 5. So 8 is repeated how many times? 5 times. So 40 liter water. How much water? 40 liters water she drinks in 5 days. So option A is right option. Which option is right? A option is correct option. Go through to next question. Find the missing number in the sequence below. Okay, in this question we have to find the missing number. This is very simple. See, 9, 18, let me take other color, 18, 27, like 45, 50. This is the table of 9. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. This is the table of 9. Okay, so answer is A option. 36 answer. A option. Simple table of 9. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54. So correct answer is missing number here 36. 9 4s are 36. A option is right answer. Go through to next 9 question. Interesting questions. Yes. There are three groups of pupils in the hall. Okay. So there are 7 pupils in each group. After 5 minutes, 5 more pupils walk into the hall and join them. How many pupils are there in the hall now? Suppose this is hall. Simple. 3 groups of people in the hall. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So suppose this is the group, because in questions already mentioned there are 3 groups of pupils in the hall. This is first group, sorry, this is second group, this is third group. Okay. So in these groups, how many pupils? 7. In each group there are 7. Here 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pupils? 7 people. Each group carry, we can say each group takes how many pupils? Each group takes 7 pupils. Okay, 7 pupils. Now after 5 minutes, so let me solve this firstly. So how many group? Here 1, 2, 3. 3 group. Okay, and each group carry how many pupils? 7. So 7 multiply 3 is equal to 21. Okay, so go through to next. After 5 minutes, 5 more people walk into the hall and join them. After 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 more pupil add. Okay, in this. So 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. The correct option is D option, 26. That is the right answer. So go through to next question. Question number 10. Yes. Consider the following. Let me move this. Yes. Consider the following statement and choose the correct answer. Statement A. For division, sums divisor is equal to dividend multiply remainder plus quotient. Statement B. When 0 is divided by any number, the result will be 0. Option number is statement A is true and B. Statement A is true and statement B is false. B option, statement B is true and statement A is false. Both statements are true. Now D option, both statements are false. So let's solve this question and then we will find the correct answer. Yes. See, statement A, division sum. Divisor is equal to dividend multiply remainder plus quotient. This is wrong. So here right answer is dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Okay, so option A is wrong option. Second, when 0 is divided by any number, the result will be 0. Yes, that is right. So B option is right. Statement B is true and statement A is false. That is the right answer. B option is right answer. So these are the questions in this worksheet. Now we will meet again in next video with new worksheets. So then bye bye, take care.